Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls error, and the error is the PlayStation PC SDK runtime cannot start because it is missing from your computer. So if you're getting this error in the game Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls, then here follow the steps very carefully mentioned in this video to fix the problem. So first of all, open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now open the empty FS folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, open the prerequisites folder and then open the PS PC runtime folder. Now first double click this install PC SDK runtime batch file. Just double click it. It will open the cmd command. Just wait for it. Now press any key to continue and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. But in case if it didn't work in your case, then first double click this PSPC SDK runtime installer. Just double click it and just wait. Next double click this PSPC SDK runtime manager. Just double click it and then go ahead, launch the game and check. This will also fix the problem. So I hope by following these steps you can easily fix the PlayStation or PC SDK runtime cannot start because it is missing from your computer error in the game Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.